Hey, monster on the beat, ho, Debo, any rap nigga, he a free throw, man down, call her Amber Lambs, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton. Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe on him. Pole on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs. And party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wop, 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 wop. That fuck him up. Wop, 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 wop. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. They not like us. 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 You think the Bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga? I think that Oakland show gon' be your last stop, nigga. They cold foul. I don't know why you still pretending. What is the owl? Bird niggas and bird bitches. Go. The audience not dumb. Shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. Ain't that something? P-Rest stands for bitch Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie. Be flipped over your boxes or over your foe. The other vaginal option. Pussy. Nigga better straighten they posture. Got favorites all up in contact. Might write this with a doctor. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident. I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fucked on Wayne Grower. He was in jail. That's conniving. Then get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home. Y'all didn't deserve him neither. From Alondra down to Central. Nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving flocks. That name gotta be registered and placed on neighborhood watch. I lean on you niggas like another line of walk. Yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me. I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie. He is 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up. It's a must. We outside. Ay. They not like us. 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 Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was using town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. Let me break it down for you. This the real nigga challenge. You call future when you
morning chat. Morning.
Baby, help you get your lingo up. What 21, get your first street cred. Thug makes you feel like you a slime in your head.
YouTube.
What Quavo said you can be from North Side. What 2 Chainz say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you not a colleague, you a fucking colonizer. The family matter and the truth of the matter. Here was God's plan to show you.
Mute this. Make sure you guys like it. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna copy send this to the Discord. Good morning.
Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God.
What's poppin'?
Hey, run for your life. Hey, run
brand
for
new
your
whip
life.
just hopped in.
Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, run for your life. Hey.
What it do, G? Everything straight, brother? Damn, boy, we got a hell of news at 8:30. Damn, boys. Let me send this to the Discord and we'll do some chart breakdowns and get this day started. Don't switch. Woke money, baby.
Step that way, then step this way, step that way.
All right, boys. Let me get some sips of my coffee.
Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times
I actually need to post this on Instagram
Remember
as
when
well.
cops are rats talking out my ass. Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge. All my life they be trying to keep me down. All this time never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life they be trying to keep me down. I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I done sat with the men politicians, I'm trying to change the image. You can't blame my past no more, I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm the voice, but the system ain't give me a choice. Know some people that's still undeployed. I know a felon who trying to get forward. Child support, your only support. For a visit, I'm going through courts. Went to jail, they was chaining me up. And you know that I'm famous as fuck. See how you gon' joke about stimulus, but they really had came in the clutch. I know some kids wanna hurt themselves. Stop trying to take drugs, I refer to myself. Trying to better myself, trying to better my health. But all my life they be trying to keep me down. All this time never thought I'd make it out. No, no.
All right.
No.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. All right. How many people in the chat actually got to take yesterday's trade that we took, the sell on GBP/JPY? I was telling you guys, it looked very sketchy on the smaller time frames. Nonetheless, we held our rules to be correct, followed it on the higher time frames, and it was a banger of a trade. Before I got off stream, I let everybody know perfectly. But if you want, you could get that on a clip, maybe where I get off stream and I tell people. I was like, hey, we're gonna do a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, so we'll drop the stop loss all the way to 150. I mean the take profit, and dude, about 4 hours later, just fucking smashed our take profit return. Thank God I wasn't online, because I would think that we need to wick fill this now. We didn't actually end up wick filling. I mean, we wick filled our move, but this ended up turning around completely, and I think we're looking at bullish price action now, boys. It was an amazing trade. We took this, I sent it to the Discord as well. For those who are not aware, it was in the Discord. Right here, GBP/JPY sell 205.150 is the entry. Oh, it was 100 pips. We caught 100 pips. I put 80 pips. That is wild. Look, we entered at 150, and look, we exited at 204.150. So I caught this on Trade Locker. I mean, this was the first trade that I didn't end up actually holding the whole stream. I did tell you guys, I mean, this is the first prop firm trade that we didn't manage the whole time on stream. I did tell you guys that this prop firm trade, we were gonna swing it and we were just gonna hold it. So we were gonna either hit take profit or we're gonna hit stop loss. I showed you guys what take profit it was, and yeah, so we took our first trade, we were down 1%. Took our second trade, we were down 2%. So we lost 1%, we lost another percent. 2 trades in, we were down 2%. We held our psychology strong, right? We didn't rush into any trades. It's been a couple days now, and look where we are. Now we took a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. I knew that I wanted to catch a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio on any of those trades that I took where I lost. I could have, if it went into my favor, I could have had a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Nonetheless, this ended up playing out. Whatever we caught our 2%, we made our money back. We are back at break even. If you guys can see the balance right here, it says $99,928. That means we are down 70 bucks, which is 0.07%. We're basically at break even. I think if you guys go to my funding pips, let me open up my funding pips. You guys want to see the metrics of the funding pips? We're trying to pass this challenge before they shut down. I'm kidding. It was a joke. Relax. Hold up, I'm logging in right now. So, as you can see on the screen, it says number of trades 3. We've only taken 3 trades. We took 1 trade, 2 trades. We had lost both those trades. We were down only 2%. We took a third one. emailed me a new preview. Thank you so much, Bada. So I'm gonna make sure I post it while on stream so I can have everybody go and comment, and we can do a giveaway with the comments. And we only traded 2 days because one of the days we took 2 trades in 1 day, basically. So pretty neat. We haven't really done anything crazy. Our average win just under 1%, average loss just under 1%, win ratio 33%. Man, we're surviving with a 33% ratio. You guys that have been following me for a while know exactly what my win ratio is. A lot higher than 33%. So look at, I'm surviving at break even with 33% win rate. Process that, boys. You don't need a high win rate to be able to, you know, survive in trading. You need to be able to just fucking win and know how to win. Know how to not lose crazy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful coffee in the morning. I made that coffee great. It doesn't matter about us. It's data is data to begin with. And second of all, I promise you probably another 3, 4, 5 trades in. It's probably going to be around the same number. Maybe 40, maybe 50. I don't really pass challenges with high % win rates. Oh, well, we're taking really not a lot of trades, so possibly we could do it on this one. Just trying to make a point. Look, these are the cups. These are the cups that I used at my wedding. I don't know if you see, it says like a D and M. It's like little, it's marked for Duncan and Maria. It says D and M 2/10/24. That was good. Alright, boys, so today we're going to continue with our Challenge Pass series, boys. Like I said, if you guys have not followed along with our Challenge Pass series, we're going to post reels daily on this Challenge Pass series, and we're coming on stream every single day and taking 1 trade on this Challenge Pass account, right? It is a Funding Pips account, 100K challenge. We are here we have it here on Trade Locker in front of you guys. This is where we're going to be executing our trades as well as managing them. So you guys, whoever wants to follow along can. I know that we have some people following along, so we'll try to make sure that I am as consistent as possible with the time that I get on, as well as, I don't know, the style of the trades or how we manage them and go about trading them. Before I got on, when this melted out and it left a wick to the bottom, this was around still New York session yesterday, right? We left the wick to the bottom and we came back. I actually thought that we were going to close around here, but regardless, we're going to have a new 4-hour candlestick come and start wick filling what we have right here circled. We didn't do that. We actually came off very strong, bullishly, right? If we look at the 4-hour candlestick that we actually have right now, it was very bearish, as in like it was going to continue with the bearish price action that we previously had last session. But it completely has flipped, right? It completely has flipped with 20 minutes left. This 4-hour candlestick has 20 minutes left, and it's turned into what? What type of candlestick is this, boys, right here? Chat, I want to see if the chat knows what type of candlestick this 4-hour candlestick is. Let's see the first one to get it. Bullish candlestick, bullish candlestick, bullish candlestick. What is this right here? Yes, yes, there you go. Good job, chat. A continuation candlestick. It's a continuation candlestick. So what I'm thinking right now is that we're going to possibly see, maybe we do get a little bit of a retracement, but I mean, that would possibly be the break and retest of this 8 SMA. We're in between 2 SMAs. Dangerous place to trade, nonetheless. I mean, 4-hour bullish flip, bullish, 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 continuation. If we get a retracement, we just play it to be a continuation. I do like sells due to the fact that sells are still beneath. So we have on the daily candlestick chart. This is for my sell bias. I just barely did a little bit of an analysis for a buy bias. Now this is the sell bias. Pay attention to this. So we have our daily candlestick. This was that day that we were about to hop into sells. 5 seconds too short. Freaking melted out 300 pips. We have our daily bearish candlestick. Started trading beneath our 8 SMA. Then we have continuation candlestick. That means we should be bearish. We did play out to the bearish sells. Continuation candlestick. We rejected. Obviously, levels of support down here. These are still continuation candlesticks that we have previously on the daily. So I would not be surprised if this daily candlestick that we have right now, the bullish one, flips bearish. You know, it's not out the door yet. We're not just going to say buys or I mean, like, buys are not completely in the clear. Sells are not out the door yet. I got a 10K prop firm down 2%. So I was down 2% on this funding pips challenge that we are actually doing together on live stream. I'm taking one trade a day in front of everybody. And first trade, we lost. Second trade, we lost. Third trade, we make 2%. Obviously, all these trades, I'm telling you guys exactly where to hold the stop loss, where to exactly hold the take profit. I'm managing them with you completely live. So you guys are literally taking the same exact trades I am, and to the same style, to the same T, to the same risk.
They need me to go, but I don't want to leave.
So,
Rest in peace, little kid.
yeah, if you're not following along with the Challenge Pass series and you want to start following along, maybe you can. Maybe you can. I mean, we're going to be patient right now before we take another trade. Obviously, we're going to be trading the challenge. One's in the chat if you guys like buys, though. One's in the chat if you guys are looking at GBP, JPY buys. I want to know who is bullish here in the chat. And then two's in the chat if you guys are bearish. Only Pips is bearish. What about y'all, chat? Bitch, don't tell me that you model if you ain't been in vogue. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to drama. What's the best lot size for a 10K? 1%, whatever 1% is. You shouldn't, there is no standard lot size. So why is that question completely wrong? Because if I were to choose for example, I have a 100K account. If I were to just choose one exact lot size, whatever I think the perfect lot size is, I mean, I'm not supposed to be having one lot size. My stop loss is what determines my lot size, right? So what does that mean? My stop loss. Imagine I'm going to take a buy right now. Imagine I take a buy right now. I think a valid stop loss has to be somewhere around this level down here. So therefore, I'm going to calculate how many pips I have. 50 pips. Okay. There's a valid 50 pip stop loss. So therefore, now I have to calculate what is 1% of my 10K account with 50 pips. I don't know, maybe like a 0.2 lot, 0.3 lot. I have no idea what the actual calculation is. But if I were to just choose a standard lot size for all my trades, I would be forced to imagine I chose like a 2 lot, and then that 2 lot was 1%, right? So that means every 2 lot I throw, it's 1%. But and then out of nowhere you're throwing stop losses that aren't even valid. You're throwing stuff that just doesn't make sense. I don't know if I explained myself correctly there, but the stop loss always changes. It's not one standard stop loss, so therefore your lot sizes are constantly changing as well. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to try to calculate your stop loss. It's honestly not hard at all. If you want to advance in trading, take the time, which should take 4 minutes, 5 minutes to learn how to calculate your stop loss. If you're still not learning how to calculate your stop loss, then you're not even taking trading serious. That means you're just here behind the charts just trying to freaking gamble. Check Euro GBP. Got you, boss. Wow, so a little late to the buy party. I would not get to, I mean, it's a dangerous place to trade. It's a very dangerous place to trade. It is one of my favorite setups, which is when a support level gets completely disrespected. Now it looks like we're going to start and coming back and recover the support level. I feel like price is going to start trading, you know, somewhere in this area right here. Obviously potentially targeting this 8 SMA. So if you are bullish, obviously we don't want to be hopping in as we are rising. It was a great break and retest of this 8 SMA. So we have our 8 SMA that was, you know, descending. So price action was all beneath the 8, beneath the 8, beneath the 8, beneath the 8, beneath the 8. And then we had a strong bullish rush that broke that 8 SMA. Break of structure. Boom, we had a break of structure. 8 SMA started forming support. This is the support that the 8 SMA started forming. And it formed as a break and retest. You know, SMAs are basically moving support and resistance. Your voice is down. Does that mean that like my voice is too low, or I'm just not speaking with enough energy? I just woke up, so I'm having my morning coffee. But now if my voice is too low, I can put that up. Talk to me. Is my voice too low as in like my energy, or is it the sound level, boys? Oh shit, look at the cells going out. I'm glad we are not in any buys right now. I'm trying to find where I adjust my sound settings. Forgot completely where that is. There you go. Hello, 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 hello. All right, so if I want to put this up, I mean it's at its max. I think. 1 second. Hello, that's better. Hello. Hello. Do you hear the scraping in the background though? Like, cause I'm gonna stop talking. Watch my screen. And there's like scraping right there. I'm just trying to make sure you guys don't hear the saves. Gotcha, buddy. I was born to believe. What to do, Kevin Allah? Everything straight, brother?
That's a rookie ass mistake. Hey.
All right, boys, if you guys have not been updated yet, I'm good, bro. And you, we are doing good, boys. I was very excited to come on stream today knowing that we are back at break even. Like I said, the most important thing about this prop firm challenge pass series that I'm doing, I want you guys to visualize perfectly, and like, it doesn't have to be today, it doesn't have to be tomorrow. It's more of the process of what you guys are going to be experiencing, of how I pass my challenges, how I don't get psychology broken, I don't start acting randomly off of rage, I don't start taking multiple trades trying to come back off of a loss, I don't start switching up things, right? I took a certain trade, even if that setup doesn't play out, I know that I took that trade because it was the highest possibility, highest probability of winning. So therefore, the next time I see that same exact setup, I'm taking it regardless of me losing my previous. I believe you will make a good trade. Oh, hopefully, brother. So we were like, so I'm not making any excuses. So we lost our first 2 trades. Now I told you guys, hey, every time I come on stream, I have a 3-hour to 3-hour window of trying to take that trade, because I'm trying to take all these challenge pass trades, right? All the trades that are on this challenge pass series. I'm trying to take them on live stream. I just barely closed my Funding Pips account. I'm trying to take them on live stream. So therefore, I only have a small window of actually trying to find the setup. It's not like I could just send it to you guys whenever if I'm offline. So that makes it a tad bit harder. Now I'm up for the challenge. I don't really give a fuck. I can figure it out. But that's why it takes slightly a little bit longer, because like if I'm off stream and I see a beautiful setup, I'm not gonna just send it, and it's happened. So we took our first trade, we lost it. I saw a beautiful setup when we were offline. I didn't take it on the prop firm, but I sent it, we won. Then we got on stream, took a trade, lost it. That was another prop firm trade, so we had 2% down. And then again we sent a signal and we hit, but we weren't on live stream, so we didn't take it. So I don't know, not making excuses, just mentioning that. So all the trades that we take on this prop firm challenge are going to be obviously broadcasted on live stream. As you see, we have only had 3 trades, 2 days. Let me open up my Funding Pips. We're back at break even though. This is like we just barely started, and I like that. I like that I went into drawdown early. Possibly we go into drawdown again. I'm not saying that's out the door either, but I'm glad that you guys are being able to see, basically, I don't know, just the not panic factor. Every single little factor I want you guys to be able to pay attention to. New house yet? Yes, I got the new crib. I'm in the new crib right now. Yesterday I sent a video to the Discord, a little quick video. I wasn't supposed to send it to the Discord. Everything was messy. I was sending it to a few friends, and then I don't know where they're like, oh, we'll send it to the Discord. Music for skating for 2 hours. What the fuck is that? I don't have many screens right now. I'm just gonna get the big screen, the one that's huge. It costs like $1,000+. I just bought a couch, brother. I just bought a couch today. Bodas, you want to see my new couch? Let me know. I mean, it's gonna get here in 2 weeks, but look at this new couch I bought. I just noticed you sent me a message also, Bodas. Bodas, check out my couch, brother. Order that bitch on Amazon. Alright, I need to use the restroom real quick. I'm gonna use the restroom real quick. Bodas, you can pay attention to the chat, please.
On your hoe, this is everyday life. I flip the safe up from cooking the white. Fall out the Pyrex and cake in the bowl. Used to the fame, y'all ain't taking my soul. Came in the game, I was hot as a stove. Pouring Selena, trying to let it go. Rocking Celine from my head to her toe. Throw on her back in the summer, she cold. BB's gon' light up and glisten, they glow. Blinding your eyesight, you never gon' see. Came out the 6, then my diamonds gon' flee. I made a meal in the middle of the week. I sell a chick in the middle of the street. When I drop a tape, the murder rate increase. Fuck all that poppin', I stay with some bands. Shawty so yellow, she stay with a tan. Diamonds on me, got some rocks in my hand. Fuck the police, gotta stay with the can. I chop the top off a regular race. Shawty on perk, this a drug addict date. I got the torch, I can't give it away. Ain't no remorse, you get hit in the face. Check out the way I be glistening, y'all. Photo Bugatti, you mention me, y'all. Diamonds stay draped in my portfolio. Fill up the safe, I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. Ace by the case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas talk shit, ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, this act on my down. Trapping it up with a whole 100 rounds. Stacking it up, ain't no fucking around. Bring it that growth, ain't no fucking around. Photo Bugatti, you mention the G. Brand new millennium, ain't hit the streets. I shaped it up, get to having a feast. I racked it up like Serena with me, like a Venus with me, got the Nina with me. We screaming free bands, this money ain't free. I cook it up, I'ma cook over key. When I cook over key, I'ma charge you a fee. I did it first, it ain't nothing but a trend. Swerve on the curb, it ain't nothing but a Benz. I was on 2, then I took it to 10. Keep it 1,000, rep the gang in the pen. Shoot at the police, ain't coming back home. Down for my crew, if they right or they wrong. Get to that money, that's all I could don. Shoot at your top, you ain't fucking with home. We hit the block, had a bag full of stones. Dripped off a bell before I made a song. They ain't gon' tell you how I got it on. I'm not a failure, I'm deep in my zone. Paraphernalia, I serve you a crumb. Super exclusive when I put it on. We get it zooted where I'm coming from. Toasting the lean like it's Dom Perignon. Check out the way I be glistening, y'all. Photo Bugatti, you mention me, y'all. Diamonds, they taped in my portfolio. Fill up the safe, I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. Ace by the case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas talk shit, ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, this act on my down. Trapping it up with a whole 100 rounds. Stacking it up, ain't no fucking around. We get that growth, ain't no fucking around. Yeah, young rich nigga, fucking bad bitch, that's all I know. That's all I know. It's sad to say that.
I'm on some shit like, no, I do what I want. No, I do what I want. No, I do what I want.
Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Everybody know I'm better. Ay, yeah, I'm better. Ay, it don't matter. Ay, pockets fatter. Ay, nowadays I'm on my haters, they got sadder. Ay, that's money longer. Ay, different song, bruh. Ay, different producer. I can do anything and I won't lose her. She got right, winner left that loser. Ay, talking shit, boy, make me get my Ruger. Yeah, I sell my Ruger. All my niggas, they shooters. Rocking them grills all the way till my tooth hurt. Oh, he cold? Well, I swear that I'm cooler. That ain't no rolling, bitches is a Frank Mueller. Yeah, Frank Mueller. Boy, I start on the bottom, made my way to the top. Boy, I'm gon' keep winning. No, I cannot stop. Remember I had a lot. Turned that shit to a lot.
Alright, I apologize for the long wait, boys. Now I do what I want. Now I do what I want. Alright, so we're looking obviously at this bullish potential flag happening here. I mean, maybe a break and retest of this resistance. We have a range here. This is a resistance level, so maybe we're breaking retesting. Obviously, everything's up for grabs right now. Nothing's clear. Maybe a wick fill at the bottom. I'm more bearish than bullish right now. Now, I wouldn't want to hop into a sell because it's a little bit scary. Seems like it's easy, just straight gonna die. Actually, I'm gonna take that back. Potentially, I do want to hop into a sell. Anybody currently in any GPP, JPY trades? Look at the, even this 1 hour time frame looks like this is going to start wake filling to the bottom. We have bearish, continuation, bearish.
Now I want that drop. Yeah, now I do what I want. 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 Now I do what I want.
Yes, it's selling. I agree on that. I agree on that.
Cherry production.
Bitch, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood.
My bad, creator or business? Oh, creator.
So we had 300 shots up in the car before we picked up dirt. You niggas who ain't got shit going, go grab a glizzy, get alert. Shots to G-Post RP and the reason he in the dirt. You gotta know I go too far. They two O's up on this 100, one of them might stand for O-Block. About 20 some shots left up in the K, 15 still in the Glock. Leave my door unlocked and stop, I like getting on feet, park the car. We get up close, do them dirty, I ain't showing love. 11,000 all ones, let my right pocket in the club. Blue faces up on me dirty, I went got it out the mud. If I took some, get it in blood, I don't give a fuck where we was. Bitch, I got my own fight, don't need security in the club. All they wolfing on the net, nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah,
all right.
Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no dodge tracks, niggas know who it was. Storing shit just like the 80s, want some back, get it in blood.
So truthfully, the best possible setup that I see right now is taking the sell. It's a very scary sell I'm doing due to the fact that we've had like our downside channel, up channel, and we're currently in this little up channel process right here. That the chart doesn't really look too ready to go up.
B-Roy pop up out that coat with that new Glock. I wish he would run. His ass playing, bitch. I'm really icy. Who shicey? That's my dog. But Pooh, you know I'm really shicey. You told all them OT niggas that you really slap. But tell the truth, game, bitch. They really died. Bitch, I got my own. I don't need security in the club.
All right, now let's go to a little bit of a gold breakdown, boys. Anybody trading any gold? Gold? Damn. I mean, I'm pretty sure I don't remember exactly what I said yesterday, but I know that I was talking about gold being on rally, right? And I was like, oh, hopefully. Oh, now I remember what I said. I was like, oh, hopefully before London session we don't end up breaking this resistance, because we understood that it was going to wick fill. I'm not sure which resistance it was, but we understood it was going to wick fill whatever's to the left, which is up here. And we're about to get there. We're so close. Let me put this mark right here. I mean, sells on GBP, JP. I mean, sells on gold are out the door. Do not dare take a sell on gold. Zero chance.
How you pull up, baby? How you pull up? How you pull up? I pull up. Step in the kitchen. Let's go.
Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. With the pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real?
And so if we were to take a sell, it would look something like this. 30 pips looks, well, I'm going to put a 30 pip stop loss, looks like this. Boom. Xander says, I took the 100 pip sell yesterday. Banger, brother. Banger, banger, banger. It's so funny that me and Xander were talking through private Instagram about holding the trade. He was like, hey, it's moving a little bit. Should I close it? Should I hold it? And I sent him a voice note saying, hey, I'm golfing right now. All I know is that if it's gone down a little bit, it means that we're almost in the clear for it to just melt out. About, I don't know, maybe 2 minutes later, 3 minutes later, I see a message from Xander saying something like, beast, or something like, oh my God, or something like, I don't know. It was like a celebration comment, and I was like, no way this thing's actually going. I checked my phone. This thing was dying, bro. That was definitely a beast trade. And I was very worried because my stop, my take profit was at 204.150. 204.150. If we see here 204.150, I mean, this is 204.160. I mean, I got touched by a pip. So instead of me not getting touched by a pip and then it dude, imagine like I wouldn't have been able to close out my trade. Like imagine I literally would not have been able to close out my trade. I would have come on to stream today, stopped out down with hella excuses, bro. With hella excuses. This looks like a bearish momentum right now. This looks like it's gonna sell.
Put money in the streets. I was solo when the ops called me at the gas station. Had it on me 30,000, thought it was my last day. But they ain't even want no smoke. If I had to choose it, murder would she roll? Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, bitch, this a clock. My God told me to promise you gon' squeeze me. You better let me go the day you need me. Put me on that nigga, get the bus. And if I ain't enough, go get the chop.
It hit TP like a storm. Baras, did you take my trade? I doubt it. Did you think my sell was gonna hit when I got offline? Or you thought I was doomed for failure there? Damn it, I fucked up. Sell's happening. That's pretty annoying.
9 times out of 10. I got niggas I probably never see again. No matter the problem, I promise that we gon' win. First one to switch up the one you call friend. Baby, 9 times out of 10. You lost your dog, you been through it all. I know how they feel, yeah. Got a hole in my heart, I'm forever scarred, but somehow I still care. No, they thought I would fall, but I'm standing tall and look at me still, yeah. And whenever I call, my niggas gon' come if they in a wheelchair.
All right, boys. So we don't have a lot of people in here, so the people that are here, you're blessed for the giveaway. We're gonna do a giveaway. It's gonna start tonight and tomorrow. As in tomorrow, we're gonna announce the winner. All you have to do to participate in this giveaway is like and comment in the last reel that I posted. It's on my Instagram. I just barely sent it to the link in the description. So if you guys want to be able to participate, it's going to be a random giveaway. We're going to do a raffle. If you want to participate in the raffle and be eligible for the raffle, all you have to do is like and comment on the last reel and join next stream. And within the next stream, you will see that we will do the dude. Fuck is this?
So I'm sorry if I did you dirty. I done got in my bag, a young nigga working. I see they watching me, fuck nigga lurking. Diamonds hitting, gonna take out the cameras. I'm going down like I ain't got no manners. I'm plugged in with the finesses and scammers and shout out my flag on niggas. I'm counting on the name.
What did you do, Dorcas?
I was a go to my younger body. When I blow up, I ain't gonna act like I don't know nobody. Life of the party like Lottie Daddy. Got a couple hearses for a couple verses. This another verse that I done caught about it. Don't do this on purpose, but you can't rehearse it. Happy to go to you know it. 100 different flows, you know it.
How many comments can we send? No, just one. It's that when we're on live stream, you're gonna be eligible for the raffle. So imagine you're on live stream, you're eligible for the raffle. If you're a viewer, if you're viewing, you're gonna be eligible. Like you're gonna be in the raffle. Now, if your raffle name gets hit, and it's happened many times, boys, many times. If your name gets hit, and I go to that comment, like to the reel, and you just barely commented, or if you do it after the fact, you don't win. So to win, you have to be somebody that has liked and commented already. So if your name hits and then you like it and do it last second, no, it doesn't count. So yeah, if you guys want to participate in that, just participate. Truly appreciate the help and support. All right, should retrace back to 205 600. All right, so what I'm gonna start doing right now is I'm gonna erase everything from the charts, right? A little bit of a top-down analysis thing, boys. You guys remember every 50 pips, I love throwing a little level indicator, just showing me these little, you know, every 50 pip range. There's 50 pip ranges everywhere that are very important, very crucial to GBP JPY, and I'm marking them out right now. These are the ones that are the most important. Actually, we'll mark out one more. Remember what these levels do, boys? It makes trading very simple. Very simple. We're at this level right now. We're either going to go from here up here, or we're either going to go from here down here. Once we get here, we're either going to go from here back down or from here back up. But if we go here, we're either going to go from here to there or from here to there. You know, that's the way we're going to look at the charts right now. Every 50 pips. So this is 206.00, then 50 pips down, 205.500, then 205 on the dot, and 204.500. It's a little simple way of looking at the charts. It really makes a huge difference, though. I love doing this little tactic right here. I need to come up with a name with this. And I mean, we were getting close to hitting this top little resistance here, and then we came back to this one. So we were here, almost went here, but nope, came back. And now we almost went down. Truthfully, the sell looks real good. I think that we're going to most likely be targeting this area down here. Because if price trades around here, I mean, it's just a strong level where we've seen price get attracted to many times. But it's hard to just say in hindsight where price is going to go. We need to be able to react to actual openings and closings. So right now we have a 15-minute candlestick that's going to close in 4 minutes, which is this 15-minute candlestick that we see right here. It's really small. It's looking like to me that it has a potential of turning around actually, which is interesting. It looks like it might flip bullish for a little bit. Forex Factory says that we have no news up until, 3 hours from now. We have Canadian news, Canada news, and US news. What are we doing, chat? What are we doing? I have seen many times before where, for example, we're trading beneath this 8 SMA, right? So a lot of people are like, oh, this is still bearish, which is valid to say. But I have seen many times random volume come and then just completely engulf that 8 SMA. If that 8 SMA gets engulfed, we could be in the, so like anything above this zone right here, I love the little break and retest play of that zone. Everything above that zone is very bullish to me. 205 400 sell. So you're up like what? A pip? I'm just kidding. That's good though.
Police get behind me, I'ma press the gas, I'm just gonna keep stomping. I'm just gonna keep stomping. Plotting on the come up, we were scheming. Now I hit the stage and they scream. I was trying to cope through them hard times for them X bills, I was fiending. Got a bad bitch, honey skin.
Damn, the cell's playing out.
Trying to tell you, girl, I can love you. I'm a cold hearted little thing. Dysfunctional, I can't show affection, might bug up for no reason. Really, you don't even gotta be here. I done got so used to people leaving. You was riding for me, then you switched up. Now it's fuck you and I mean it. Couple situations left me traumatized. Now I say lessons, I'm speechless. If my brother needed, then I got him, and the whole gang know I'm bleeding. Trying to wake up from them nightmares, devil in my ear while I'm dreaming. In my past life, did some bad things. I know karma trying to get even. Trying to get away from all that drama. Hopped in the Benz, now I'm speed. Told him I was gonna be something. That broke shit made me sick. Big appetite with a weak stomach. Ain't had nowhere to go, nigga. I was lost in them streets running. Then I hit Rodeo just to get stylish. Ran through 300. Just happy I did it, nigga. Nobody ever gave me none. Flexing so hard, I might pull a muscle, but I just keep stunning. 30 in the mag, you get body bag. I'm just gonna keep dumping. Police get behind me, I'ma press the gas. I'm just gonna keep stomping. I'm just gonna keep stomping. Who can try stealing my formula? These niggas corny, these niggas can't come on my corner. Only one do what I want. I made the guy spin that bitch every day like a carnival. Bought her a pattern for me cause she wanted one. These niggas nothing like me, I ain't one on one. Set the belly 400, I pay the bus. You ain't scaring no one with no gun in this bitch. Everybody go dumb in this bitch. Niggas holding their mama. Bitch in the hood like Obama and shit. Presidential tent, no telling who win it. Ask around, I bet they tell you we winning. Different foreign cars, ain't none of them rented. 100 million cash, I'm coming to get it. All the Cali, but my mind in the trenches. I ain't about the boy to play his position. Run it up and show love to my city. Never leave them, I'm bringing them with me. Keep it glizzy, it's going in with me. I can't let them get me. No type of bullshit, I'm sorry, I'm busy. I'ma go hard, so I'm 40 or 50. Niggas be talking, but they never do shit. So if it ain't money, I don't even listen.
All right, my bad, boys. I was recording a video. Damn, chat. Chat's very quiet. Chat is very quiet. I wonder if nobody likes London session right now because of the range that we're in. I would be expecting what do you do besides trading, brother? I trade. That's it. I golf. I play golf. I'm at work, so I'm just listening. What to do? Slick. Everyone's starting charts. As in, like, we have a bunch of beginners in here. Besides trading, I stream trading. If that makes any sense. I stream trading besides trading. I mean, nothing is telling me that this is ready. This looks like a clean sell. If you're in the sell right now, which I haven't executed on, I think that you are in a great trade. Don't even think about closing. It looks awesome to me. I'm kind of jealous that I'm not in it. Even though those are the ones that actually turn the fuck around and shit like that. But I don't know. I truthfully think the sell is the way to go right now on GBP JPY. And now when we're looking at gold, I doubt gold has retraced. Nope. Gold is going to keep on going. So if you see gold is just rallying that. Any income besides trading, I fucking wish. I wish, brother. No, I only trade for money right now. I'm not really doing anything that's any other businesses or any other investments. I mean, I have crypto investments, but that ain't an investment. I'm just losing money. Yeah, we ain't gotta lie. Ugh. Ugh. Oye, vente pa' mí, soy tu G.
Y yo la sigo enamorando, regalando, tú te comprando. Lo que usted mamita quiere. Ahora no estamos alejando, no te estoy viendo, lo estoy volando. Esta sola tú prefieres. Ven, dame un chance.
Mami, me siento leo, dime dónde estás. Te quiero chingar, te quiero romper.
El que la rompe soy yo, me la robo de menor. Ya tú sabes quién es, ya tú sabes que hay. El más que suena, lo menor, vamos matando.
Oh wow, the sell's fucking playing out on GJ. Boys, if you guys want to be able to participate in tomorrow's giveaway, it's today/tomorrow's giveaway. Make sure that you guys, Baras, can you send it to the link? I can't really find the fucking, I got it right here actually. Copy link. All right, boys, I'm gonna send it to the YouTube chat right now, boys. We only got eight people participating for $50. If you guys want to be able to win $50, all you have to do is go and comment on look at the link in the comment section in the chat. I just barely sent it. There's a link. Click on it. Comment on the reel, like the reel, and you will be able to participate. You will be eligible for the participation. It's only 8 people in there right now, so that means you have a very strong chance of winning. You know, it's not like a fucking 100 to 200 people giveaway. So. Potentially, I'll ask everybody if they want to have multiple winners or if we do one winner. I'll let the chat decide, but we will do the raffle tomorrow. We'll do the raffle tomorrow, but to participate, you need to be able to have a comment on that reel. And if you guys do it after the fact, you guys do not win. So don't be lazy. Just click on the link, comment, and you guys are participating. Thank you for the support. I mean, every stream that we do is going to be focused on our Challenge Pass series. I think that's one of the most important things people are doing in the Forex industry right now, which is trading prop firms. So me personally showing you guys how I go about trading my challenges is, I think, it's something that's going to be something that's very undervalued up to the moment. I think throughout the series, you guys are going to be able to see the value of what I'm doing. And then by the end of it, you guys will truthfully see the value of what I did and how I've done it. Maybe you guys learned something from it. Maybe the positive part of it, it's not that you're going to have a challenge pass with me, but maybe it's that you're going to be able to see visually how I got it done. And then maybe you're going to be able to believe that it's possible to do it that way too, which is being patient, taking 1 trade to 2 trades a day, basically 1 trade a day. I don't know, following disciplined rules, you know, just keeping it very simple also. We don't really complicate things here on the stream, and we don't really overthink them either. I mean, we do overthink them, but we don't complicate them. Or maybe we do complicate them too, but that's just because of the way I am. I'm very technical. So we're trading beneath this zone right here. Like I said, we're either going from this zone up here or from this zone to down here. Up to the moment, it looks like we're going to the downside. And if we go to the downside, there's just more clean action for us to wick fill. The more we go down to this area, I mean, that means that if news comes, imagine we're trading down here. 8:30 news comes, New York Open news comes. This has a chance of just freaking melting the bed and actually wick filling all these things down here. Because this wick right here looks like we need to fill it. We actually ended up catching that sell. Like I said, for if you guys are anybody new here, we are at break even on our trade locker account, on our funding pips account. We were down 2% off of 2 trades. We took our third trade with a 1-to-2 risk reward ratio. Hit, take profit 2, so therefore we are at break even. We're cruising, boys. We are cruising. We are at the bar getting tipsy. Boys, do me a favor, if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys like up the stream as well. Dude, gold looks like such an easy pair to trade, but then it just freaking does you dirty. But Jesus, that gold run looks so obvious, and it's gonna keep on running. Like I said, please do not take any gold sells. I said that was one of the first things I said when I got on stream. Do not dare take any gold sells, please. And then what I don't like about GBP/JPY is that we're in between these two SMAs, which makes it a very dangerous place to trade, boys. Very dangerous place. I'm gonna put my air down, boys. It's fucking freezing.
I'm the coldest nigga I see. Looking in the mirror like I wish I can be me. She too into me, I'm more into money. My hobbies are body, that pussy's my lobby. I'ma eat it, I'ma eat it. I don't lie, on my dick too conceited. I told her she my wife for the weekend, but don't be acting like I need you cause we poppin' like yeah. All my bitches got real hair, chillin' with the top down, screaming like hey, oh. I'ma take her ass down, she bring her friend around, fuck 'em both like hey, oh. I'm a bougie ass.
Fucking freezing. My wife has the air on 65 degrees. Bro, did you choose trading and not like what? Why did you choose trading? I actually remember before I got into trading, I tried out something like drop shipping. I don't remember exactly the reasons why I kind of shied away from it. I kind of saw that there's supposedly like it turned out to be a lot more of a random thing, right? Once I got deep into drop shipping, I got to really understand that the ones that are successful in drop shipping are the ones that just try multiple stores. And I didn't really have enough money to invest in as many stores, because if you want to have a profitable store, you need to be able to have, first of all, money behind everything that's going on, right? If you don't have any money behind what's going on, then you're not gonna be able to do a lot of marketing. You're not gonna be able to do a lot of, I don't know, things that just help your business actually run and actually get started. And it doesn't, and it won't perform to the top if it's not, you know, actually having money behind it. So what I noticed with these drop shippers is that the ones who become gurus are the ones that opened up 20 stores and then one of them fucking finally hit off some random bullshit, and then from there they're considered professionals because they've tried what doesn't work, they've seen what does work, and they got lucky with what works. So then what they do with you is that they tell you, hey, invest in all these stores, we'll do the analytics for it, and then basically they're just getting free stores because now they get to be involved in all these stores. They don't pay for them, and then it's like, oh, I got 100 clients, let's see which one of these actual stores actually pop off. We use that data to show the world, hey, look, we know how to actually make marketing pop off. But like, it's a very saturated market, and people are very, 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 like, there's big companies that, for example, I don't know, Trump got shot 2 days ago, right? I promise you, within 2 hours of him getting shot, there was goddamn drop shipping stores that had photos of him everywhere getting and then there were stores of something of him getting shot, or like, I don't know, the second coronavirus happened, there was a whole bunch of masks drop shipping stores, or those suits that like completely keep you clean from infections, or like, you know, those like white ghillie suits. So it's like it's a market where you have to be very very active and very like you need a team behind you. It's not an individual winner type thing. There's not like a guy. There's not a guy in drop shipping or whatever the world of that you want to call it, that he has like, or he'll open a store, it goes successful, opens another store, it goes successful, opens, no, it's like, it's more of like, let me open 100 stores, let me see if one of these hit, let me open another 100 stores, let me see if one of these hit, and then yeah, and then you work off of what you got. especially if you're somebody who doesn't have like a following or an influence, because then you're just going off for random sells. Now, if you're somebody who's like, I don't know, has a big following, and you're opening multiple types of dropshipping stores, I mean, as long as you're catering to your audience, of course, you probably have some sells. But getting yourself out there on the internet just for people to buy your shit, and they know it's gonna come from fucking China and shit like that, it's not really. I don't really think it's a smart idea. I have some friends that are recently getting into it, and they're like taking courses and shit like that. I'm like, oh my god. I think it's a good skill to learn, and you probably learn a lot from it. I just think the success rate's kind of a lot less. You have a lot less of a success rate than when it comes to Forex, or when it comes to stocks, or when it comes now. I'm not saying the success rate is high in trading, but I have a feeling it's higher than what it is in yeah, the whole drop shipping world, e-commerce. There you go. Any other opinions on what I said? Maybe you guys disagree, which is totally fine. Any other fucking perspectives on what I said? Damn, dude, the sell is most likely gonna play out. London session has been completely garbage. Jesus Christ. I got on. I was up at London Open, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait a little bit for something to actually happen before I hop on. Jesus, dude, I could have even waited longer. Fucking nothing's happening. That boy said, love the shoe collection. I have more. They're just put away.
Swallow my kids, won't you? Won't you? I was on a helicopter, caught a yell like binoculars. I was feeding a bitch lobsters, sat tan like doctors. I would turn to a monster.
Like, how much money do you mean? $1,000 or more? I actually have no idea. It really just depends on what the size of your. I have no idea. Place looks mint. I'm glad it's working out for you. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So some people are asking, all right, so you think it's gonna go bearish? Some people must be thinking, all right, Duncan, all right, Peso, you think it's gonna be going bearish? Why aren't you hopping into the sell right now? Due to the fact that if I hop in as price is going downwards, I have a very high chance of going straight into drawdown, as well as having a stop loss that's about 5 to 10 probably pips bigger than what I typically want to do. And 5 to 10 pips makes a huge difference, especially in moves like these where it easily could just turn around and you could be caught in drawdown. A lot of my trades go through drawdown, so I'm always very aware of my entries having to be like as possible sniper as possible. But boys, if you guys are overthinking entries, don't. I mean, I'm overthinking because I have the skill to, but like, for example, if you're a person that wants to be able to only catch trades where you go into two, like, max fucking, like, if you guys are like those people that are like, oh, I want to catch trades that go into max 3 pip drawdown, max 2 pip drawdown, you're not going to really find a lot of success. You're going to find yourself wanting to close out your trades really early, even though you're in the correct side of the market, which is very sad. It's one of my biggest rules that I don't do. One of my biggest rules that I follow and I don't do is that I don't, what was it? Got myself confused. I hate fucking closing out on the correct side of the market, right? So like, imagine I'm in a sell right here. Price turns around on me, and then I close, and then it actually ends up playing out as a sell. That right there, that kills me. It ruins my psychology. So imagine I'm in this trade and it turns around and I'm in straight drawdown. At one point, I truthfully prefer to just get stopped out rather than it actually having a chance of playing out and me closing out early. That's just me. I talk about that all the time. It's one of my biggest no-nos. It's closing out when you're on the correct, it just fucking destroys me. It destroys my psychology. So a lot of the time you see me just holding it and saying, hey, if I was on the correct side, I was on the correct side. If not, then so be it. That's how it goes. Trading, losing is a part of trading. So therefore, why the hell are you guys trying to avoid losses? I mean, it's not about trying to, I mean, of course you're trying to avoid losses, but if losing is a part of trading, then why the hell are you guys getting mad when you guys lose? It's like you guys chose to play this game. You don't know this game's not always winning. So why the fuck do you get so emotional when you lose? Makes no sense. Best vacation you have been to was about last year when I went to Vegas. Last year when I went to Vegas was awesome. It was the first time, I mean, not the first time, but it's like one of the times, it's like the best vacations just keep on happening because things just keep getting better and better and better. But like, yeah, the best vacation was Vegas. Why? Because I probably had the most amount of money that I've ever had in a vacation. So like in Vegas, I wasn't thinking about anything. I was fucking paying $1,000+ a night just to sleep in the fucking best possible hotel. Every dinner was over like $300 to $400. Everybody was just fucking. I remember I literally was like big balling, right? I had a good amount of money coming in at the time, and I was like, all right, we're gonna just not think about anything. And then I remember when I got there, everybody had freaking Rolexes, and I was like, bro, I haven't even bought my first Rolex. And that's when I got obsessed with it. I was like, yo. And so I went to multiple Rolex stores in Vegas. I went to multiple watch shops. Didn't really find anything that I liked. Didn't really have anything that I wanted. So I got back to Miami. The first thing I did, I was like, you know what? I cannot be walking around without anything on my wrist. And then after that, I changed. I'm a changed man. I'm part of the club. But yeah. I was just fucking going. I was that crazy that I was willing to fucking. I mean, I did it, but I was willing to fucking just purchase any fucking watch just so I could be a part of the Vegas pie. Because everybody was all big balling there. I don't want to not fit in. You feel me? Alright, I think we only have 8 to 9 people participating in the giveaway. We have a $50 giveaway that we're doing. All you have to do to participate is go to the last reel I posted on Instagram, comment, and you are a valid participant to win $50 next stream. We will announce it next stream and we'll do the raffle live in front of you guys so you guys see that it's all fair. It's going to be randomized. It's going to be a random. How much does your Rolex cost if you don't mind me sharing? If you don't mind sharing. How much does it cost right now? I have no idea how much I paid. I paid like 8,600, 8,700, and then I don't know what the taxes added up to, about 9,000. How much does it cost right now? Probably around the same price. If it's used, if it's new, probably like 12, 11. I could look it up, but I actually don't feel like it. I'm a little tired still. I'm gonna heat up another coffee. Bowling. Best vacation, I already read that. Yeah, my Rolex is still a little boy Rolex though. Little boy Rolex. So like, I'm not the type of guy to fucking show up at a party with everybody has watches and trying to show my watch. Like most people over here have fucking crazy ass $20,000 to $30,000 watches. So Yeah, that's Miami for you. You know, you feel like you got a big goddamn, you know, you feel like you got a goddamn big, I'm not gonna say the word P, and I don't know where you look to your right, and the guy to the right of you has an even goddamn bigger P. What's good? I've been lacking. No, Marcus, I've been lacking. It's not you, it's me. Because if I wasn't lacking, I'd have you here every single day. We're just doing our Challenge Pass series, Marcus. We're doing a Challenge Pass series. The first 2 trades did not go how I wanted. Now, remember, every trade that I take for this Challenge Pass series, you see where I break even, I only take the trade on live stream. So a lot of the times we did take banker trades in between the trades that we lost, but it wasn't on live stream. So we took a live stream trade for the prop firm. We lost. We got off stream. Took a normal trade, not for the prop firm. Won. Got on stream, lost on stream, got off stream, sent a trade. So we had winners in between the 2 losses, but whatever, I'm not making excuses. So then yesterday we had a beautiful GBP JPY sell, which was this one right here. I told everybody to aim for about 80 to 100 pips. It took about 4 to 5 hours for the trade to hit, but nonetheless it hit. Really clean, made us go back to break even, and now it's just like we just barely started our Challenge Pass series. Remember, boys, we're taking 1 trade a day. That 1 trade is always going to be live managed and shown to you fully transparently on live stream. That's the whole point of this Challenge Pass series. I want you guys to be able to, I don't know, either follow along or see basically how I get it done. And I don't know, for you guys to learn from that. So, I mean, right now we're going for another 1% trade. We're not going to really switch it up. We've been only risking 1% per trade. Now, when we do go into profit, boys, like imagine I was up 3% right now. You know, if I really love the setup, you're gonna see how dynamic the risk gets, boys. We could potentially be up 3% and be like, all right, we're going for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, and that means we're risking 3% for 6%, which if we hit that trade, it means we're basically passed. So we're gonna be doing stuff like that. That's basically the whole technical part of what it gets to how I trade. Like that's the most advanced part that I want you guys to see, which is the dynamic risk that I use when passing these prop firm challenges. Because I think that if you guys only risk 1% per trade, it's good to build a small building block and it's good to hold consistency, but 1% per trade is for consistency. And yeah, what do you do to consistency for? You do consistency on live accounts and when you're trying to get paid out. Now, when you're trying to pass a challenge, yes, you need somewhat of consistency, but it's more of, you know, you got to really know when to pull the trigger, because passing a prop firm challenge requires you to be an aggressive trader. So if you don't know how to be an aggressive trader, you're going to struggle a little bit. And do I think you need to be an aggressive trader? No. But is it good to have a under the gun where you know how to fucking start getting a little aggressive and, you know, and giving it to the charts? I think that's something that is very necessary in trading. You know, that dog in you when you start fucking throwing big lot sizes, going up and down and catching that thing. Right? I don't teach that. Now, do I practice it sometimes? Do I know you guys practice it? Maybe all the time. Do I know that fucking, yeah. You know what I'm talking about, Marcus. That dog that comes out of you. I was made to believe I never loved somebody else. John? I know you walking up to heaven on them white stairs. Why I can't just pull up to your crib and see you right there? Nobody love you. Made a plan. That's when they might care. Arnold's, I'm not even looking at gold right now, and I could tell you that thing is running. Yeah, I think this is one of those bullish rally trades where price is not going to retrace, and every time it does retrace, that's your opportunity to hop in. I don't think we're going to see big movements to the downside. Everything's just going to keep on rallying up. Small retracements, big pushes up, which it makes it very hard for people to actually catch the continuation. Arnold's, go and comment on my last reel so you could participate. Marcus, go and comment on my last reel so you can participate. We have people that are in the stream right now not participating in our $50 giveaway. And if you guys have not liked up the stream yet, make sure you guys like up the stream. It helps our algorithm on YouTube. It helps the channel grow. I would truly appreciate it if you guys like up the stream. Yeah, subscribe and turn on post notifications as well. What are we doing here, boys? What is the plan? I actually have no plan up to the moment. Wait for some volume. This looks like it's going to be ready to go bullish. Made a plan to leave, never love somebody else.
I was made to believe I'd never love somebody else. Made a plan, stay the man who can only love himself. Lonely was the song I sang till the day.
There we go. Oh, Arnold's did comment 6 minutes ago. I'm dumbass. How did I learn trading? I learned trading, man. The best way to learn trading is to ask questions and find out the answers to them. That's exactly how I learned trading. What do I mean by that? I went on YouTube and I put how to make money off trading. And then they were like, all right, you got to do this pips. I'm like, oh shit, what is a pip? Okay, boom. How do you calculate pips? Oh, okay. Actual trading strategy. Okay, this guy looks like bullshit. And you start digging. When you start digging and you start finding out, it's because like, if I give you right now 10 sets of information, right? 10 bullet points of information, you're only going to remember about 30% of that. Now, if you go and dig up these 10 bullet points of information yourself, I promise you the rate in which you will remember and learn those things are a lot quicker. So I could blabber a whole bunch of information into your ear, and it's going to be meaningless unless you actually put the meaning behind to it and make it important. So I think it's important to you when you actually have the question and you guys look for the question. So I truthfully think that courses are a little bit outdated nowadays, and courses are probably not the best way to teach, especially with the way that our education system works, that has everybody kind of like sick of like the whole reading and following. Like, it's more of, I think we're more visual learners and also more of active learners. I think passive learning is more when you're like just sitting down reading, and then active learning is when you're investigating, you know, and you're pushing different limits to trying to see where you know where it could go and where it leads you. I think that that's the best way to learn trading. So if that answers your question, that's how I got into trading. That's how I started learning how to trade. Now, where I got to perfect my skill was completely on live streams. Once I saw how a live person was doing it, because I had my perspective on what to do to make money into trading, and then eventually, once I started seeing a live trader go into action, I actually started understanding more of, like, you know, I started seeing, oh shit, look how many trades he's taking. Oh shit, look at the way he's hopping into trade. Oh shit, look at him waiting for candlestick openings and closings. Oh shit, look, he ain't closing out of trades. Oh shit, and that maybe I can take 2 trades a day. And you start seeing, you start learning off of, like, you know, basically not your mistakes, but their mistakes, and also their wins and losses, etc. You've been in a gold buy since 24-26. Ah, that is juicy, bro. Fuck. That is so juicy. I made a plan to believe I'll never love somebody else.
It's not the stone they fall.
Then you come crashing in. Oh, what song is that? Slow Dancing and Burning Room. I don't even know that song. All right, so right now we are getting so the hourly candlestick on GBP, JPY, GJ's hourly candlestick closes in 15 minutes. We were very, very bullish, getting ready to hit this 50 SMA, potentially finish engulfing the wicks, right? So for 45 minutes we were descending. Last 15 minutes are coming of this hourly candlestick, and we are showing, you know, a little bit of some flip action, as in, like, this candlestick might flip bullish, or at least it's baiting us to flip bullish, which means we have to wait for the next candlestick opening and closing to see what's going to happen. New 15-minute candlestick opening right now. New 15-minute candlestick is beneath this 8 SMA. I actually think that that's a continuation candlestick closing. So what does that mean? On this 15-minute candlestick chart, I see bearish, bearish, continuation candlestick. I think that this one's going to be bearish. Just like this was bearish. Then we had another bearish candlestick. Look at this run right here. Continuation candlestick, bearish. Another continuation candlestick. I mean, probabilities say that we should go bearish. Nonetheless, there could be a chance of retracement, obviously level of support, but I'm more of expecting some bearish momentum, and if it's not now, it might be in the next hourly candlestick. But right now, we're leaving rejections to the downside. Obviously a no trade zone, boys. I don't know if that's obvious to you guys or not, but this is the no trade zone. We are waiting for something to give us indications and of direction, right? We have no real indications of direction. Everything is more of a 50-50 trade, and you don't want to be in 50-50 trades. You want to be in trades that you actually feel like you have an advantage in, or higher probability of winning. Dude, imagine we would have just have hopped on stream and caught the gold long. That probably would have been the smartest thing to do. So as prices going upwards, I'm gonna start really asking myself, do I really want to be in the sell? Is the sell an actual smart idea? I don't have the answers to that yet, but I'm saying that as it's rising, I'm asking myself that, because as it's rising, that's possibly, you know, that's where you're getting the best opportunities to actually continue and take the sell. Now, I don't like how the 8 SMA is beneath on the 4-hour candlestick chart. It just looks like there's support level here, and then we're just going to start attracting ourselves towards this red SMA. Might be a no trade hour. Now, no trade 30, you know, like I need to see. I love the wick fill to the downside though, but we might have to be patient today, boys. Not a no trade day. Just talking about we're not taking a trade as we speak yet. Any other streamers and currently in any GBP JPY trades? Y'all watching any other streamers? Anybody that watches multiple people at the same time? You've been in gold buys. What do you got? What trades are you guys in, boys? Talk to me. That boy only Pips is streaming at the moment. Jesus.
She's a good girl, crazy about else, loves horses, and a boyfriend too,
Time to eat trading, time sharp, and you. So what is time sharp and what is time to eat trading looking at? They're looking at buys, they're looking at sells. Steal the freaking bias for me, brother. Steal the trades for me, brother. You have taken no trades this week. Well, we're only at Tuesday, so they see no trades up until Tuesday. I mean, that sounds as professional as it gets, no? Free falling.
All the vampires walking through the valley, they move westbound, Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys
Standing in the shadows.
and the girls
Home broken hearts.
and I'm free falling, falling. Now I'm free falling, falling. Free falling now, free falling.
Now I'm free, free falling. Now I'm free.
Free falling now, free falling now, free falling now, free falling. I wanna crack down over my heart. I wanna ride her name in the
the sky. I wanna free fall out into nothing. Oh, I'm gonna leave that.
I honestly like the sells as well. I potentially want to take a sell, like, and just write it out and that's it. But then again, if I lose, I'm going to be down 1%. And I don't want to be down again, which would be very annoying. But this looks like a valid trade, though. It's with the momentum. We got a lot to wick fill. But the 4-hour candlestick chart looks horrible, and I don't want to go against my 4-hour boys. You know, I would be so salty if, because crazy, my take profit literally got hit by a pip, dude. If I imagine I didn't get fucking, imagine I had stopped out my last trade, it would have been down 3%, and I would have been complaining about being down 3% because I would have been like, yo, if it would have gone down a pip more, if it would have closed me, I would have been at break even. This is bullshit. Hey, God's plan, eh? He's swinging a GJ short. Jesus. Thank you, Anus, for the update on that. Kids are in town for a funeral.
So pack the car and dry your eyes. I know they got plenty of young blood left in them, and plenty nights under pink skies you taught them to enjoy. So clean the house, clear the drawers, mop the floors, stand tall like no one's ever been.
Damn, this cell looks juicy right now.
And don't you mention all the inches that are scraped on the door frame. We all know you tiptoed up to 4-1 back in 08.
Damn, I kind of want to take the sell. Come on, Duncan. Put it together. It'd be about a 30 pip stop loss.
And the grass all smells the same as the day he broke your arm swinging on that kid out on the river. You bailed him out, never said a thing about Jesus or the way he's living. If you could see him now, you'd be proud. What you think days, yuppie. Your funeral was beautiful. I think I heard you coming.
All right, we're going for the sell, boys. I'm a bad boy, so don't even. All right. So what? 4.6, 4.5. I want to stop loss like at 750, truthfully. 205, 750. How's that stop loss look?
Kids are in town for a funeral. So pack the car and dry your eyes.
All right, I'm gonna start executing.
Oh, they got plenty young blood left in them. And plenty nights.
Sell.
We taught them to enjoy.
And I hopped in right when the candlesticks start rallying. It's fine.
It'll be fine by dusk, but I'm telling you, baby, These things eat at your bones and drive your young mind crazy. But when you place your head between my collar and jaw, I don't know much, but there's no weight at all. And I'm damned if I do, and I'm damned if
Damn it, dude! I don't even see how much I'm fucking up. I hate this shit. Like I don't see my take profit.
I miss you, I know that you won't.
Your body's a wonderland.
Mornings when I see the sun, something in the orange tells me we're not done. To you I'm just a man, to me you're all I am. Where the hell am I supposed to go? I'm poison myself again, something in the orange tells me you're never coming home. If you leave today, I'll just stare at the way the orange touches all things around.
You've been in the short for the last 2 days. I mean, hopefully, brother. Both GBP and JPY are in a very weird angle right now. Your body's a wonderland. Alright, let me see what I can do here. Okay, official trade of the night is a 30 pip stop loss, sell on GBP JPY. We are risking 1% and we are currently in like 2 to 3 pip drawdown. This trade looks a little bit scary, but let's see how it plays out. Yes, we are in, brother. Yes, that is a good psychological level. Ooh, your body's a wonderland.
And if you were to ask me, after all that we've been through, still believe in magic? But yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh, yes, I do. Of course I do.
T one risk reward ratio. Yeah, it's gonna be one to one. Yeah, take profit at the 1-1. Damn, I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
Look at the stars,
I'm gonna just not watch.
how they shine for you. Everything you do, yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you, and all the things you do. And it was called yellow.
Are we still confident in this trade or not really? I mean, higher time frame wise, yes. Lower time frame wise, no. But that's the same shit as last time. Last time I wasn't confident in the lower time frames, but I was on the higher time frames. Higher time frames telling me I should take this trade. I mean, lose or win, I would take this trade every single time I see it. Yeah. Dude, it's crazy how my coffee didn't even like wake me up. How am I that tired? My ass fucking had a nap during the day yesterday. Probably like from 4 to 6, 4 to 7 maybe. Slept for 3 hours and then I went to sleep like at 11, from 11 to 3. So I've slept 7 hours, bruh. I'm still tired. Like I'm tired. Like I'm literally tired. I'm about to fucking yark another coffee. Straight to the face, dude. Boys, if you guys have not liked my or commented on my last reel, we just posted a reel, and if you guys want to be able to participate in tomorrow's $50 giveaway, all you need to do is have a comment on that reel. So if you guys have not seen it yet, go and check it out, put a comment, and you guys have a chance of winning $50. The raffle will be done on live stream. You will be able to see the transparency and everything on live, so don't even worry about that part of the situation. I'm a bad boy. Continuing with the Challenge Pass series today. We are in a trade already, boys. Pray for us. And the stream too.
they shine for you. Look how 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 they shine.
Oh baby, give it to us. Give it to us.
Look how they shine for you. And all the things that
Your body's a wonderland. Dude, imagine again we just have one of those fucking crazy meltouts and this thing just obliterates the floor. That'd be hilarious. If this is Donvo, we'd be taking profit.
Let's go back to the start. Running in circles,
If this was Donvo style, we'd be taking profit already.
Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part.
Your body's a wonderland. It's so funny if this trade actually plays out, that's gonna be a part of the reel. It's like a little clip part where I'm like, oh, if this was Donvo style, we'd be fucking hitting take profit already or what? Right, boys? If this was Donvo style, we'd be in take profit already. Got obliterated. He's he's not like us. He's not like us. He's not like us. He's a certified pedophile. Just kidding, dude. Donvo, if you're watching this ever in the future, brother, I want to be a part of the Illuminati like you know? I will keep it low key. Just send me the contract. Tell me where I sign up. Tell me where to sign up. I'll be a part of it, you know? Fuck the fans. They not like us. They not like us. They not like us. Your body's a wonderland. Don't Gen Z me, bruh. Yo, Badass, how old are you again, brother? How old is everybody in the age? Who cares to share their age? I want to know what the age range of this community is right now. Like, how old are y'all? I'm 25 years old. Am I the oldest one? Am I the youngest one? Am I in the middle? 20? Damn, Zender's young. 20? You're 20? Marcus, you're 19? Jesus. Only Pip's 35. You see, I had no idea about these ages. Like, it puts a little bit more into perspective for me. 20? You're 20? Dude, that is not a good turnaround, Kendall. Please don't rally on me. Anus is 18 with that. I'm a rap star, could have been a mental patient. Hit you with the bag, you still ain't paid me. You must want a nigga come and do you like a stranger. I ain't even tripping, but in the page. Niggas see you shine and forget you really dangerous. They won't let you help. They Just over a year in trading experience. Born in 2006, dude. Well, I have. I'm trying to think back to when I was a year into trading. I felt like I was already on top of the world. So, Jesus. Oh hell yeah, brother! You still getting started? Only pips. You are still getting started. Trading is pretty. Trading is very hard to fail if you don't give up. Now that's with anything in life, but specifically trading, man. Like if the person that actually shows up to the charts every single day, man, show up to the charts every single day for a year, you will see your life change. Show up to the charts every single day for 2 years, you will be a changed person, and the people around you will change. Show up to the charts every single day for 3 years, and your whole future will change. It's like that little descending wedge right there has me fucking. Do not do the break and retest, please. It's kind of like going to the gym, you know. You got to show up multiple times consistently for it to what it do. Bro, can you tell us how your friends and family react when you first start earning good money from trading? Yeah, everybody's asking, hey, can I give you money to trade? Can I give you money to trade? Can I give you money to do this? Can I give you money to do that? And then they'd ask me like for like investment tips. And I'm like, bro, I don't do that. Like, first of all, I don't trade other people's money. Second of all, I ain't trading your money. Third of all, I don't even invest. like it's just trading. Like we trade actively. They don't even understand what the fuck I do. They probably just think I'm being greedy and I don't want to give them money or some shit. My OG started asking for my credit cards. I don't know. My mom literally exploded one of my credit cards. She wasted like $6,000 for Thanksgiving on my credit card. Never gave me back a dime. My fault though. I'm the one who gave up the credit card like a duck. You live and you learn though. Your body's a wonderland. Slowly sinking, wasting, crumbling like pastries.
White lips, pale face, breathing in snowflakes, burned lungs.
My bad for the yawns, boys. We don't invest, we speculate. I mean, I always tell my whenever people don't understand what I do, and first of all, whenever I meet people in public, I don't even say I'm a trader. I always just say I work with social media. I always say I have a social media business. Gold is pushing. I don't want to look at gold. It's gonna make me want to kill me. I'm not gonna say that. What was I gonna say? Yeah, I say one, I'm a professional chart drawer, professional chart analyst, or two, I just say I have a business with social media. I mean, my business, for example, in the last 2 months has probably generated nothing. So, I mean, it is trading. I have no idea. I'm a fucking hustler and that's it. You feel me? What's it to you? I never know what to tell people whenever I fucking meet them. What a proud thing you did after you got profitable. Example, retire your parents? No, I am not that fucking loaded at all. I cannot retire. I cannot retire my parents. I cannot retire myself. I cannot retire, you crazy? Like I said, I mean, when I became profitable, let me think of it. What are something proud that I did when I became profitable? Proud that I did. Oh, that after you got wait, that you did after you got profitable. Something proud that I did after I got profitable. I don't know. Getting married. But that's whack. I'm just kidding. For the boys though, I'll say that's like. Let me think of something. I don't know, dude. It's just literally the freedom that you feel of like, I don't know, dude. I get up, you know, and I'll be walking my dog at 7 in the morning, and I know that after I'm looking at everybody else walking their dog, and they're wearing like, I don't know, their nursing uniform, or they're like half like getting ready for work and shit like that, and it's like it's satisfying to know that you are in control of your whole workspace and of like everything that you're doing, being your own boss. Yeah, so it's like that's the dope part, like that I live my life, like I go throughout the day every time I'm driving anywhere, and I'm like, oh man, everyone's at work right now, and it's like, that is a blessing. Like, it's a blessing to, and it makes you, and think about it, it doesn't make you want to just sit down and do nothing. It truthfully doesn't. I promise you, you'll get the same feeling when you're there. It's like when you have the freedom of doing nothing is the second that you don't do it. You know what I mean? It's the second you have the freedom of doing something, and that's why. And that's kind of like the psychological thing they say about rules, right? Imagine I tell you guys, don't do this. Like, don't jump in the pool. It makes people want to jump in the pool. But then you don't tell people, imagine you don't have it. It doesn't say, you know, you don't tell people anything. Nobody's thinking about jumping in the pool because it never even crossed their mind. You know, some might do it, some might don't, but you have a lot less people doing it. So it's like, it's kind of like that's the same psychological effect, or where you have the freedom to do anything you want. You don't go and do everything you want. You just know that you have it there, and so therefore, I mean, I don't know, you just, it's kind of like yeah, kind of like how also another psychological kind of like a prediction based on analysis, kind of like another example of what I said, of like when I used to fucking just go and buy a whole bunch of stuff because I knew I could, and then now and then like I got to the point where like there's certain things that I want and I know I could buy them. And the second that I knew I could buy them, I didn't want them anymore. It's fucking weird. I swear to God, it's fucking weird. Like, I don't know, dude. There was so much shit that I could think of. Just random stupid shit. Random $200, $300 objects, maybe. Just random bullshit. Or like random things. Like trips wise, or like, it just, man. You like want it so bad, then you finally get enough money for it to be able to buy it fucking 5 times, 6 times, and you're like, wow, did I really want that? Kind of like the shoes. Like, I remember I've always wanted all those shoes that I have that I posted and shit like that. And dude, I wear these all day. I literally wear these all day. Literally goddamn dirty ass Yeezy slides and Air Forces. About $100 shoes, and then another, I don't know what the fucking Yeezy slides cost, but it's all I wear every single day. So, and my golf shoes, you know. I remember the last time I put on my Jordans. Yeah, humans are fucking stupid. The human brain, what's wrong with us? Your body's a wonderland.
I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious way. Maybe just the touch of a hand. Me, I fall in love with you every single day, and I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me into your loving arms, kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars, place your head on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud.
Surprisingly, I'm not bullish, brother. Higher time frames have me bearish. And now looking at it on this 4-hour, this 4-hour looks so dangerous, brother. It's not a good thing. We're above this 8 SMA. It looks like it could just continue, dude. Very, very, very sketchy place. But this right here, this formation right here, this tells me sell. All right, boys, I just barely sent to the comment section my last reel that I posted on Instagram. If you guys want to be able to participate in tomorrow's $50 giveaway, might be at the end of this stream, if not tomorrow, most likely tomorrow. It's a $50 giveaway. All you have to do to be a part of the giveaway is like up the video and comment on the video. You guys need to have a comment on the video. You need to have a comment. I'm going to go through the comments, and one of the comments are going to be the random winners, right, through a raffle system. So I just barely sent it to the chat below. I'm going to keep on sending it, spam sending. So it's a link to the last video I posted. It's a video showing us the Challenge Pass series. All you guys got to do right there is literally just freaking comment, and you guys are participating. Don't do it, GJ, don't do it. Breathing in snowflakes. Burn tape. My boy said peace out. Peace out, Marcus. Much love, brother. Very scary candlestick. Come on. Do not let the 30-minute close super bullish. Please. Please, please, please. Does anybody need an update on our Challenge Pass series, or anybody have any questions about our Challenge Pass series and how we're doing? We took 2 trades, 1%ers. We lost them both, so that we were down 2%. Yesterday, we took another 1% trade, aimed for 2%, and we made all our money back on that trade. It was a beautiful sell. So now we are at break even. It's kind of like we just started. This is basically the first trade of the challenge, if you want to make it feel like that way. We're at break even, boys. Look, I don't have enough energy to hold. I mean, not to hold, to just keep on watching this whole trade out, try to play out. So what I'm going to do is that we're cutting off the stream right now, and we are coming back in 2 hours, less than 2 hours, because I want to be here before news. But we're going to be here before. We're going to be here like at 8 o'clock, 8:15. We're going to be here for the 8:15, 8:30, and we'll be able to, do this. No, we are not. Xander, no, you want me to stay? Oh my. Damn, I got the no. I'm trying to go. Oh, I'll be coming back. I'm sure coming back. 100% coming back. I could not be more sure that I am coming back. Does that convince you? I am literally so sure I am coming back. Why? Because I need to finish the video that I'm half recording right now. Yes, I promise. Yeah, set and forget TP stop loss. I might even be on if this starts going early. If I get stopped out earlier, I'm on. If it hits my take profit earlier, I need to go use restroom, drink a coffee, and then I'm gonna go outside to my balcony and have a cigarette, Cuban cigarette, Miami cigarette, you know what I'm saying. And then yeah, just wait. My wife gets up in 30 minutes for work. I gotta walk the dogs. I'll be back. I'm just kidding. I'll be back. All right. Much love to y'all. I'm telling you, I'll be back. Arnold's, Marcus, Xander, expecting to see you guys during the next stream. Give me an hour and a half. Badass, you as well, bro. Rest up. No, I already rested. I don't gotta rest. I'm gonna just go and chill. Should we just imagine this thing just melts right now? I'm gonna go fucking refill my coffee. Completely gonna be back. Impossible I'm not. Alright? So catch you guys in an hour. I could possibly even leave the stream running. You guys want me to leave the stream running? They sing. Do you guys like the soft music playlist that I put, or you guys like the more rapper type playlist music that I put? Soft as in like the Ed Sheeran, the John Mayer, the little cute little songs, or do you guys like more of like the rapper stuff? Softer. I'm with the softer as well. All right, so this is gonna keep on playing. All right, be right back. How about that? Be right back. Oh my God! Don't do that to me.
On a Saturday night in the summer, sundown and they all come out. Lamborghinis and they rented Hummers. The party's on, so they're heading downtown. Everybody's looking for a come up, and they wanna know what you're about. Me in the middle with the one I love it. We're just trying to figure everything out. We don't fit in well, cause we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. You look stunning, dear, so don't ask that question here. This is my only fear, that we become beautiful people. Top designer clothes.
Oh shit.
Front row fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people. Champagne and roll up nose.
Oh wow.
Some broken holes.
Is that like a school trip? Is she with family? Or is it like for sports? I say for sports because all the time when I was little, I used to go to Disney to play soccer tournaments. It was always like, you know, you go to the ESPN plus whatever. The ESPN stadium.
For hours last night and we made it nowhere. I see stars in your eyes when we're halfway there. I'm not fazed by all the lights and flashy cameras. Cause with my arms around you, there's no need to care. We don't fit in well, we are just ourselves. I could use some help getting out of this conversation. Yeah, you look stunning, yeah, so don't ask that question. Yeah, this is my only fear, that we become beautiful people. Top designer clothes, front row fashion shows. What you do and who'd you know? Inside the world of beautiful people. Champagne and roll up nose. Prenups and broken homes. Surrounded but still alone. Let's leave the party. That's not who we are. We are not beautiful. Yeah, that's not who we are. We are not beautiful. We are not beautiful. I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. Can you take my hand, finish my drink, say shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah, I always feel like I'm nobody. Who wants to fit in anyway? Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can't hear ourselves. Pictureless, I'd rather kiss them right back. But all these people all around are crippled with anxiety. But I'm told it's where I'm supposed to be. You know what? It's kinda crazy cause I really don't mind. Can you make it better like that? Don't think we fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Oh yeah, yeah. When we walked in I said I'm sorry. But now I think that we should stay. Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. No, I don't like nobody but you. It's like you're the only one here. I don't like nobody but you, baby. I don't care. I don't like nobody but you. I hate everyone here. I don't like nobody but you, baby, yeah. Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. Oh, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. 'Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. And I was running from my brother and his friends, and tasted the sweet perfume of the mountain grass I rolled down. I was younger then. Take me back to when I found my heart, broke it here, made friends and lost them through the years. And I've not seen the boring fields in so long. I know I've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down those country lanes, singing to Tiny Dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. 15 years old and smoking hand-rolled cigarettes, running from law through the backfields and getting drunk with my friends. Had my first kiss on a Friday night. I don't reckon that I did it right, but I was younger then. Take me back to when we found weekend jobs, and when we got paid, we'd buy cheap spirits and drink them straight. Me and my friends have not thrown up in so long. Oh, how we've grown, but I can't wait to go home. I'm on my way, driving at 90 down too tiny dancer, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill. One friend left to sell clothes. One works down by the coast. One had 2 kids but lives alone. One's brother overdosed. One's already on his 2nd wife. One's just barely getting by. But these people race me, and I can't wait to go home. And I'm on my way. I still remember these old country lanes when we did not know the answers, and I miss the way you make me feel. It's real. We watch the sunset over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill. Over the castle on the hill. I'm gonna pick up the pieces and build a Lego house. If things go wrong, we can knock it down. My 3 words have 2 meanings, but there's one thing on my mind. It's all for you. And it's dark in a cold December, but I got you to keep me warm. If you're broken, I will mend you, and I keep you sheltered from the storm that's raging on. Now I'm out of touch, I'm out of love. I'll pick you up when you're getting down. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. I'll do it all for you in time. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I'm gonna paint you by numbers and color you in. If things go right, we can frame it and put you on a wall. And it's so hard to say it, but I've been it before. Now I'll surrender up my heart and swap it for yours. I'm out of touch, I'm out of love. I'll pick you up when you're getting down. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. I'm out of sight, I'm out of mind. I'll do it all for you in time. And out of all these things I've done, I think I love you better now. Don't hold me down. I think the braces are breaking, and it's more than I can take. And it's dark in the cold December, but I got you to keep me warm. If you're broken, I will mend you, and I keep you sheltered from the storm that's raging on. Now I'm out of touch, I'm out of love. 5:34 a.m. I was about to start my day, but she laying there across me, so I stayed anyway. Arms tight, legs numb, wrapped around my knee. Sweetest of sunflowers, how you're the sun to me. I don't recall what you were wearing on the first night we met, besides a subtle cloud around you from my last cigarette. And you come from a good place with a happy family. The only bad you've ever done was to see the good in me. But I've been living, waiting on the day that the good Lord willing sends you out my way. I've seen hard times, bad luck, all that in between. Sweetest of sunflowers, how you're the sun to me. I remember being younger and my mother told me true. Find someone who grows flowers in the darkest parts of you. Take heed when things get hard and don't you ever turn around, 'cause you'll find someone someday somewhere that grows you to the cloud. And you walked me home that evening when I could barely walk, and you spoke to me so sweetly on the days I couldn't talk. And now I'm seeing clearly and I'm growing up so free. Sweetest of sunflowers, how you're the sun to me. I've been living, waiting on the day that the good Lord willing sends you out my way. I've seen hard times, bad luck, all that in between. Sweetest of sunflowers, how you're the sun to me. Sweetest of sunflowers, how you're the sun to me. Everyone seems a damn genius lately. TikTok talking, late night TV is still so much I have yet to know. Get dressed up just to go downtown in some ego-filled late night crowd. Seems to be where I feel most alone. I like to get lost on some old back road, find a shade tree and a honey hole, and talk to my grandpa again. And I see God in everything, the trees in pain and nights in the spring. So why do I still long for a home? I like to lay in a field on a cozy blanket and feel the fear of never waking, to know the true warmth of the sun. I like to love my lady long and hard, and lay down lines of layman guitar. Never leave her loving arms again. My exes hate me and my friends all miss me. I wanna drown in rock-gut whiskey, leave this small town for a while. Heading to Paris on a late night flight, find a bar and get in a fight, write a few poems on a sunny balcony. I wanna be a child climbing trees somewhere, breathing in the fresh outside air. And before I knew this life was unkind, I want a well-trained dog on a couple of acres, a kind lady and a place to take her. A few good friends I can count on one of my hands. I know I'm bound to die one day, so when I reach those golden gates,
I did the best I can. Sit with my mother and the dearly departed, send a prayer down to the broken hearted, let them know it all turns out just fine. To know me is to love me, and to hate me is to wrong me. I prefer my not so lonely love blues guitar, muscle cars and gin. I'm a simple man, I don't need much, just my simple songs and some human touch. I'm tired now, so I'm bringing my ass home. So let me go down the line, let me feel it all, your pain in the sky. So let me go down the line, we all burn, burn, burn and die. Let me go down the line, I wanna feel it all, your pain in the sky. So let me go down the line, we all burn, burn, burn and die. So let me go down the line, I wanna feel it all, boy, pain in the sky. So let me go down the line, we all burn, burn, burn and die.
When someone's looking in the mirror, they can realize that they can reclaim themselves, and after the rough spots in life, they kind of just have to call themselves theirs again. Know that no matter what, they can always go back to who they were.
You are mine again. Every mistake that you made, all the people that you saved, took a little piece of you. You are mine again, and I'm so damn glad you're here, talking sober, calm and clear, like you couldn't back then. How many sad songs it takes to get your stubborn ass away? Well, finally got you rising from your bed. Was it the sunset on her cheeks, leading down to her delicate collarbone? The judgment of your mind when you're alone. Mine again, my fondest friend, where the hell you been? I've been struggling to get back to you. And if you fight all night, I'm sure you'll gain the guts to try to get past the things that you've been through. No one plays the fool quite like you. talk that shit the way you did before. All the women and the wages and the wars that I've been waging just don't feel like fighting anymore. But again, on this Freddy, where the hell you been? I've been struggling to get back to you. If you fight all night, I'm sure you'll gain the guts to try. Thank you for what you've been through. No one plays it cool quite the way you do. Again, head back home and be who you know you can. Again, don't be so cruel and play God with all his plans. Mine again, my phone is friend, where the hell you been? I've been struggling to get back to you. If you fight all night, I'm sure you'll gain the guts to try. Now your fault, you've been through. No one plays cool quite like you. 'Cause I am mine again. Every mistake that I've made, and I ain't ashamed to say who the hell I am. I am mine again. And I'm so damn glad I'm here, talking strong, sober, and clear, like I couldn't back then. Was a boy who was a dreamer, and he flew so high and proud, in a world full of people out to cut his young ass down. No one ever understood a single word he said, and they cast him to the wolves when he wasn't well and fed. Boys, we've got a riser in our midst. He will get the last laugh, it's the last thing he did. And he used to roll around in that red dirt mud. But now he's skipping town and that dreamer's out for blood. Don't stop going south, 'cause they'll let you play music real damn loud. Don't stop heading south. They will understand the words that are pouring from your mouth. And that dreamer called his daddy, tell him what he did. The masses scream the lyrics of a messed up kid. And then he told his daddy he was never coming back, be cut down again in a town like that. He surely came to learn, people come to watch you fall. That dreamer's out to make a name and fool out of them all. that boy and his kind, 'cause all they comprehend is a worthless dollar sign. Don't stop going south, 'cause they'll let you play your music real damn loud. Don't stop heading south, 'cause they will understand the words that are pouring from your mouth. Don't stop going south, 'cause they'll let you play your music real damn loud. Don't stop heading south, 'cause they'll understand the words that are pouring from your mouth.
I was born in the arms of imaginary friends, free to roam, made a home out of everywhere I've been. Then you come on crashing in like the realest thing. Try my best to understand all that your love can bring. Oh, half of my heart's got a grip on the situation. Half of my heart takes time. Half of my heart's got a right mind to tell you that I can't keep loving you. Can't keep loving you. Oh, with half of my heart. I was made to believe I'd never love somebody else. Made a plan, stay the man who can only love himself. Lonely was the song I sang till the day you came, showing me another way and all that my love can bring. Oh, half of my heart's got a grip on the situation. Half of my heart takes time. Half of my heart's got a right mind to tell you that I can't keep loving you. Can't keep loving you. Oh, with half of my heart. With half of my heart. Your faith is strong, but I can only fall short for so long. Down the road, later on, you will hate that I never gave more to you than half of my heart. But I can't stop loving you.
Can't stop loving you.
I can't stop loving you.
I can't stop loving you.
I can't stop loving you. With half of my heart. Oh, half of my heart. Half of my heart's got a real good imagination. Half of my heart's got you. Half of my heart's got a right
whiskey's gonna ease my mind. Beach towel dress on the drying line. Do I remind you of your daddy in his 88 Ford? Labrador hanging out the passenger door. The sand from your hair is blowing in my eye. Blame it on the beach, grown men don't cry. Do you remember that beat down basement couch? I'd sing you my love songs and you'd tell me about how your mama ran off and pawned her ring. I remember everything. A cold shoulder, a closing time. You were begging me to stay till the sun rose. Strange words come on out of a grown man's mouth when his mind's broke. Pictures in passing time. You only smile like that when you're drinking. I wish I didn't, but I do. Remember every moment on the nights with you.
You're drinking everything to ease your mind. But when the hell are you gonna ease mine? You're like concrete feet in the summer heat. It burns like hell when two souls meet. No, you'll never be the man that you always swore. But I remember you singing in that 88 Ford. A cold shoulder, a closing time. You were begging me to stay till the sun rose. Strange words come on out of a grown man's mouth when his mind's broke. Pictures in passing time. You only smile like that when you're drinking. I wish I didn't, but I do. Remember every moment on the nights with you.
Cold shoulder, closing time. You were begging me to stay till the sun rose. Strange words come on out of a grown man's mouth when his mind's broke. Pictures in passing time. You only smile like that when you're drinking. I wish I didn't, but I do. Remember every moment on the nights with you. Rod good whiskey's gonna ease my mind. Beach towel dress on the drying line. Do I remind you of your daddy in my 88 Ford? Labrador hanging out the passenger door. The kids are in town for a funeral, so pack the car and dry your eyes. I know they got plenty of young blood left in them, and plenty nights under pink skies you taught them to enjoy. So clean the house, clear the drawers, mop the floors, stand tall like no one's ever been here before or at all. And don't you mention all the inches that are scraped on the door frame. We all know you tiptoed up to 4-1 back in 08. If you could see now, you'd be proud, though you think days yuppies. Your funeral was beautiful. I bet God heard you coming. The kids are in town for a funeral, and the grass all smells the same as the day he broke your arm swinging on that kid out on the river. You bailed him out, never said a thing about Jesus or the way he's living. If you could see him now, you'd be proud, but you'd think days yuppie. Your funeral was beautiful. I think I heard you coming. If you could see him now, you'd be proud, or you'd think days yuppie. Your funeral was beautiful. I think I heard you coming. Kids are in town for a funeral, so pack the car and dry your eyes. I know they got plenty young blood left in them, and plenty nights under pink skies you taught them to enjoy.
She's a good girl, loves her mama, loves Jesus and America too. She's a good girl, crazy about elves, loves horses and her boyfriend too. Yeah, yeah. It's a long day living in Reseda. There's a freeway running through the yard. I'm a bad boy, 'cause I don't even miss her. I'm a bad boy for breaking her heart, and I'm free, free falling, falling. And I'm free falling, falling. All the vampires walking through the valley, they move westbound, Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys standing in the shadows, and the girls are home with broken hearts, and I'm free, free falling, falling. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Free falling now, 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 free falling. I wanna glide down over my heart. I wanna ride her name in the sky. I wanna free fall out into nothing. Oh, I'm gonna leave this world for a while. Now I'm free, free falling, falling. Now I'm free, free falling, falling, falling. Free falling, falling. Free falling, falling.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment, I have been blessed. I live only for your happiness and for your love. I give my last breath. From this moment on, I give my hand to you with all my heart. I can't wait to live my life with you. I can't wait to start. You and I will never be apart. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment on. You're the reason I believe in love, and you're the answer to my prayers from up above. All we need is just the two of us. My dreams came true because of you. From this moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give. From this moment, I will love you as long as I live. From this moment
Got a girl from the south side, got braids in her hair. First time I seen her walk by, and I about fell up out my chair. Had to get her number, it took me like 6 weeks. Now me and her go way back, like Cadillac seats. Body like a back road, driving with my eyes closed. I know every curve like the back of my hand. Do 15 and 30, I like honey, so thick and so sweet. There ain't no curves like her on them downtown streets. Body like a back road, driving with my eyes closed. I know every curve like the back of my hand. Doing 15 and 30, I ain't in no hurry. I'ma take it slow, just as fast as I can. We're out here in the boondocks, the breeze and the birds, tangled up in the tall grass, my lips on her, on the highway to heaven, headed south of a smile. Get there when we get there, every inch is a mile. Body like a back road, driving with my eyes closed. I know every curve like the back of my hand. Doing 15 and 30, I ain't in no hurry. I'ma take it slow, just as fast as I can. I'ma take it slow, just as fast as I can. Got braids in her.
They say love is more precious than gold. It can't be bought and it can't be sold. I got love enough to spare. That makes me a millionaire. I got a woman with eyes that shine down deep as a diamond mine. She's my treasure so very rare. She made me a millionaire. When we ride around this old town in my beat up car with the windows down, people look at her and they look at me and say that boy is sure living in luxury, sweet luxury, because love is more precious than gold. It can't be bought, no, never could be sold. I got love enough to share. That make me millionaire.
You can tell where it starts and where it ends. It's also honestly way less pressure painting her wrap versus like a real paint job. She can enjoy the art as long as she wants, but if she wants her old car back, she can just take it off. She said she wanted a snake. I'm working on that on the hood right there. It's definitely coming together. It's gonna look awesome when it's done. I mixed up some gold to match her rims. It's like a dark gold with a little bit of a green tint. I added that in little spots around the whole car, and then finished up the snake on the hood. And I also added some French style art going on the side of the car. That was like one of the first things she asked me. If I could flip the car on the side, I think she would care. If I could flip the car over and then paint hunched over, it'd be so much easier, but it is what it is. At first, when I got this car, I was actually debating wrapping the whole thing black and then painting white over it. She obviously wanted the car black and white, but in the beginning, she said she wanted the whole thing on the darker side. I'm gonna leave a white outline around the side and then black out all the big sections that are all white. Also, while I was working on the Mini Cooper, I got a call from David at the paint shop, and they said they were about to spray the blue on Kevin's car. This is a dark blue. That's the car now. They sanded the whole thing with a black base.
What it do, chat? What it do, chat? Make sure you guys are pimp my pace, pimp my
Seen my share of broken halos, floating wings that used to fly. They've all gone wherever they go. Broken halos that used to shine. Angels come down from the heavens just to help us on our way. Come to teach us, then they leave us, and they find some other soul to save. Seen my share of broken halos, floating wings that used to fly. They've all gone.
Yes, sir, we are in this, brother. This is a part of our Challenge Pass series trade. So basically, we take one trade a day on our prop firm. We were down 2% because we took a 1% loss, another 1% loss. Then yesterday, we took another 1% trade, actually aimed for a 1 and 2 risk reward ratio, and we actually hit take profit. Fucking 4-hour candlestick. I'm not sure if I like the 4-hour candlestick. We're holding.
Don't go looking for the reasons.
So yeah, this is the trade that we're in.
Don't go asking.
We're back at break even on the challenge. I'm not sure if I said that.
We're not meant to know the answers. They belong to the vine.
The old doggy internet cutting out trick. I'm not sure. My internet's cutting out, or the old trick of the internet's cutting out. I don't get it. I don't understand it.
Seen my share of broken halos, floating wings that used to fly. They've all gone wherever they go. Broken halos that used to shine. Broken halos that used to shine. Broken halos that used to shine. Broken halos that used to shine.
This is when things got a little confusing. He kind of seemed like he changed his mind. He asked for 2 small logos on the sides of the car, the Bible quote on the back of the car, and then he started a whole
Fucking bad bitch, that's all I know. Check out the way I be glistening, y'all. Photo Bugatti, you mention me, y'all. Diamonds stay taped in my portfolio. Fill up the safe, I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. X-Spider case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas on shit, ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all the testing, it's acting my down. Trapping it up with a whole 100 round. Sacking it up, ain't no fucking around. Rigging that growth, ain't no fucking around. Ice overload, this ain't regular ice. Hop on a private, ain't regular flights. Smash on your hoe, this is everyday life. I flip the safe up from cooking to white. Fall out the Pyrex, a cake in the bowl. Used to the fame, y'all ain't taking my soul. Came in the game, I was hot as a stove. Pouring Selena, trying to let it go. Rocking Celine from my head to her toe. Throw on her back in the summer, she cold. BB's gon' light up and glisten, they glow. Blinding your eyesight, you never gon' see it. Came out the 6, then my diamonds gon' fleet. I made a meal in the middle of the week. I sell a chick in the middle of the street. When I drop a take, the murder rate increase. Fuck all that poppin', I stay with some bands. Shawty so yellow, she stay with a tan. Diamonds on me, got some rocks in my hand. Fuck the police, gotta stay with the can. I chop the top off a regular red. Shawty on perk, this a drug addict day. I got the torch, I can't give it away. Ain't no remorse, you get hit in the face. Check out the way I be glistening, y'all. Photo Bugatti, you mention me, y'all. Diamonds stay draped in my portfolio. Fill up the safe, I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. Ace by the case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas talk shit, ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, this act on my down. Scrapping it up ain't no fucking around. We get that growth, ain't no fucking around. Photo Bugatti, you mention the G. Brand new millennium, ain't hit the streets. I shaked it up, get to heaven a feast. I racked it up like Serena with me, like a Venus with me, got the Nina with me. We screaming free bands, this money ain't free. I cook it up, I'ma cook over key. When I cook over key, I'ma charge you a fee. I did it first, it ain't nothing but a trend. Swerve on the curb, it ain't nothing but a Benz. I was on 2, then I took it to 10. Keep it 1,000, rep the gang in the pen. Shoot at the police, ain't coming back home.
So our trade turned around back to break even, and we've been around break even for about, I don't know, an hour, 30 minutes to an hour, probably like around 40 minutes.
They ain't gon' tell you how I got it on. I'm not a failure, I'm deep in my zone. Paraphernalia, I serve you a crumb. Super exclusive when I put it on. We get a Zuda where I'm coming from. Toasting the lean like it's Don Perignon. Check out the way I be glistening, y'all. Photo Bugatti, you mention me, y'all. Diamonds stay draped in my portfolio. Fill up the safe, I'm more realer than y'all. Fuck my new case, I'm more realer than y'all. Ace by the case, I'm more realer than y'all. Sleep with the K, I'm more realer than y'all. A regular day, I'm more chiller than y'all. Diamonds on freeze, ain't gon' never thaw out. Niggas talk shit, ain't gon' never be found. Counting it up and I'm losing the count. Fuck all this testing, this act on my down. Scrapping it up with a whole 100 rounds. Stacking it up, ain't no fucking around. We get that growth, ain't no fucking around. Yeah, young rich nigga, fucking bad bitch, that's all I know. All I know. It's sad to say that.
Just one more tear to cry, one teardrop from my eye.
All right, I'm back. I was like recording something. Your body's a wonderland.
Everybody got their Bibles?
Yes, Nathan's going to meet us at church. Come on, we gotta go.
I can't believe this. God, I'm done. I'm done with you. I'm not dealing with this anymore.
Sunday morning, man, she woke up fighting mad, bitching and moaning on and on about the time I had.
Oh my god. I think we're, I mean, I'm not going to say we're in the clear because that's just completely jinxes it. I mean, but the hourly is doing what we've been waiting for. I mean, look, we have just straight bearish movement on the hourly. We're underneath our 8 SMA.
This is perfect. Come kiss me one more time. I couldn't dream this up.
And now it's turning around.
Even if I tried, you and me in this
Favorite shoes.
feels like magic. I'm right where
I don't really have a pair. It just depends on what you're wearing. The shoes aren't what matter. I mean, the shoes, you know, everything just complements itself when it comes down to an outfit.
saying how it's gonna be so good, so beautiful.
Cause I'm free.
With you, I ain't convinced.
I'm free falling.
I don't know how heaven could be better than this. I swear you're an angel sent to this